Should you remove faucet fixtures or hardware before recaulking? Yes, removal is preferred when feasible to ensure full access and a lasting seal. When preparing to recaulk around a sink, first shut off the water supply and remove as much surface water as possible with towels. If the fixtures are straightforward to remove, use the correct sized wrench and protect finishes with cloth to avoid scratches. Then disconnect supply lines and place small parts in a labeled container so nothing is lost. If removal is not practical, score and lift the old caulk carefully with a utility knife and use a stiff bristled brush and rubbing alcohol to remove residue and oils. Avoid silicone cleaners that leave films. Allow the area to dry completely for at least 24 hours or speed drying with a fan and gentle heat if the manufacturer permits. Choose the correct caulk for the environment, typically a 100% silicone for sinks and wet areas or a high-quality polymer for mixed materials, and cut the nozzle at a narrow angle for controlled bead size. Apply steady pressure with a caulk gun, move at a consistent pace, and tool the bead immediately with a wet finger or a rounded finishing tool to compact the caulk and force it into gaps for adhesion. Common mistakes include leaving old caulk in place, which prevents bonding and leads to early failure, so always remove to clean substrate before applying new material. Another issue is working on a damp surface. Moisture traps under fresh caulk and causes mildew and adhesion problems, so dry thoroughly or use a moisture-tolerant product only if drying is impossible. A third frequent error is using the wrong product for the materials present. Silicone does not bond well to certain plastics without primer, and some paints will not adhere to silicone, so match product to substrate and follow manufacturer instructions for primers and cure times. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives both sides a place to discuss projects, share tips, and ask questions. We provide a community section where members exchange real-world experiences about preparation steps like fixture removal and caulking techniques, helping people find the right help and contractors find work.